Welcome back. In this video, I'll be assembling the Strongback. And if you like watching me make mistakes, you're gonna like this video. The Strongback is a ladder-like frame on top of which we will build the boat upside down. I cut the Strongback components out of 3/4 inch MDF board. Each of the boards is 10 inches wide by either 4 feet or 8 feet in length. I lay 3 8-foot long boards end to end for each side of the Strongback. I use a laser level to ensure that the 24-foot long Strongback would be straight. Next, we connect each of the sides with 4-foot long boards. I use a combination of tight bond glue and wood screws. In this sequence, I show how I stand up each side of the Strongback so I can install the rungs. Unfortunately, I forgot to mark the location of each rung. I start with the stem rung, and then I measure and mark from the aft side of the stem rung to the aft side of each remaining rung. and I label each rung. Rung 9 defines the rear seat back, and therefore it must be installed at a 10-degree angle. I must admit, it's been a long time since I had to calculate the tangent of 10 degrees times 10 inches. The remaining 5 rungs are perpendicular and pretty straightforward. Before flipping these, it's important to label the bottom and the top of the Strongback. First, I attach the stem and the transom rungs at each end of the Strongback. I use corner clamps to position each of the rungs. I attach each rung with 2 1/4 inch long wood screws. have no sponsors for this build, therefore I wear a shirt that says volunteer. Because of the extra thickness on the sides of the Strongback, I have to use 3-inch long wood screws. After completing the second stringer, I upgraded my tank top helper. Rung 9 is installed at a 10-degree angle, so it really is helpful to have a second pair of hands for this. It is nice to have a digital level to confirm the 10-degree angle. I mark a line between the 2 screws at each end of the rung so we can put a 3rd screw right in the middle. And it wouldn't be a kid's YouTube video without landing a bottle flip. In the next video, we'll be positioning each of the frames onto the Strongback. Till then, cheers.